This is Clint again. I'm doing another video blog looking specifically at gastric sleeve at the end of week 8, soon approaching my 2-month milestone with my surgery. There are a few questions that folks have as I went all on in the surgery, and I want to talk a little bit about that. But I also want to talk a little bit about just kind of where I am so far. Since my original weigh-in before surgery at the beginning of the year, I am down 73 pounds. I'm down 63 since my first appointment. I am down 68 or 58 since my pre-op appointment, and down 43 pounds since the day of my surgery. So that's what the results are so far. Clothes are starting to fit better. That's also a good thing. Although probably the big, well, I just wanted to, I'll get into some of that stuff a little bit later. I wanted to answer a few folks' questions about surgery. There are some of you watching this who I'm sure have had gastric sleeve surgery. There's some of you I know that are watching this that are considering it, and I know there are some of you that are just curious about what's going on with me and that kind of thing. So I've received a number of common questions, and I just wanted to answer them kind of at this point, where I'm at after 2 months almost. First of all, do I feel more energy? Not really. Do I feel sapped of energy? No, I don't really feel sapped of energy either. I don't feel more energy, I don't feel less energy, I just feel, at this point, pretty much the same as I go through my day, just without a lot to eat, nor a lot of joy from eating necessarily. Do I feel hungry? Well, I was told I wouldn't feel hungry at all, that this kind of hormone thing would kind of take care of that. I do feel hungry at times. My wife describes 2 different kinds of hunger: head hunger and, real hunger. I feel both. At times I feel like I can feel my stomach growling, but it's not nearly as frequent as when I was pre-surgery. If I haven't had anything to eat for a while, my stomach will let me know. I find that I want to have at least something for breakfast a lot more, which is new for me. Usually I'm not a big breakfast eater. And I find that just in general, I'm at the point where I tend to eat regularly, just less. Do I feel more tired? Well, that depends on how you look at this question. Do I tend to want to sleep more? Yes, I tend to sleep more and crave sleeping more than I have. I've been pretty regular on my 8 hours sleep most of the time since this surgery happened. And thankfully the kids have cooperated with that. They're sleeping a little bit more, which helps. Exercise. Have I been exercising? Well, I'm trying to get started on that with weightlifting and a gym membership, but I haven't really gone the full bore exercise route yet. I'm hoping that when I do that, that'll further give me, and I'm getting started on it, that'll further give me a kickstart on my weight loss. What do I eat? Well, I'm at the point where I can eat a lot of different things now. I generally don't do well with breads, especially thick breads, or a lot of high carby kind of foods. Even pasta will fill me up fairly quickly. I do tend to be able to tolerate most meat, most beverages. haven't been drinking a lot of coffee or anything like, or pop. I maybe have about one a week, maybe two. Don't do the haven't really had any alcohol since surgery either. So um, I think all that's prescribed on the sheet. I haven't tried any things that they tell you not to try yet. I might try some, especially like any sort of nuts. I haven't really gotten into. I think that's about it for this week. If you have any questions, let's go ahead and leave them in the comment section or put them on my Facebook or something. I just wanted to share a little bit more about what's going on with Gastric Sleeve Week 8. Take care. Bye.